Hi guys, it's Dipper, and today I don't know what I'll be doing, but this is my first video, so I don't really know what I'm gonna do. But on Monday I will be having mail time, so it would be nice if you could add my account, Bella. I don't know how to say that, but I'll just type it in the notepad for you. Oh, yeah. That's the user of my new account that I'll maybe buy VIP on soon if I get permission from my parents. So, this and Bella. Add this account and you can give as many gifts as you want, and if you friend me, I'll put you in I'll put you in a new art book and I'll give you a shout out. And if you have a YouTube channel, I will put your channel under your character and say that the people that are my friends should maybe subscribe to you. And so yeah, I have no idea what I was supposed to do in this video, but bye.